Since time immemorial, inventions and discoveries have uplifted our standards of living. To make the work easy, man invented wheel and various mechanisms for giving the shape of machine. For simpler, easier and quicker chain of production, he invented tools. One name indispensable from the tooling technology and tool room is Indo-German Tool Room, Indore. An ISO 9001-2000 certified organization. A tool room known for high quality tooling. A source for getting trained manpower, also promising towards self-sustenance. We at IGTR Indore have proven the fact that research and reverse engineering is the outcome of unexplored possibilities. In present economy scenario, a vast global, upcoming, innovative world of opportunities, latest technologies exhibit the upgradation and futuristic approach of a country. The economic growth, infrastructural development, national income, employment opportunities, all are directly proportional to the country's technological framework. Indo-German Tool Room, Indore is working as an autonomous body under Ministry of MSME, Government of India. Government of India with assistance from Government of Federal Republic of Germany, Indo-German Tool Room at Indore was established. Government of Madhya Pradesh provided land, building and infrastructure. The functioning of Indo-German Tool Room, Indore was inaugurated in May 1995. Main aim of Indo-German Tool Room, Indore is to assist micro, small and medium enterprises providing high quality and efficient tooling. Providing consultancy for tooling technology, providing skilled manpower for industries. We also provide guidance for the setup of new industries. Since 1995, IGTR Indore has been continuously progressing in all fields. IGTR can be viewed closely by categorizing it into its two major segments. First, production. Second, training. In the field of production, our main aim is to provide complete satisfaction to the customer. We produce tools in accordance with customers' requirements. Tools are designed by experienced tool designers using CAD, CAM advanced technology and then manufactured by using advanced machinery under highly skilled operators and engineers. We offer our quality services to all types of industries with special attention for micro and small sector. Our aim is to provide innovative, compact and high-tech tools to increase productivity. For quality tooling, we use CAD, CAM technology for manufacturing injection molds, press tools, die casting dies, jigs and fixtures, etc. To start with, we prepare product design followed by tool design. For this, we are well equipped with design department using advanced softwares like Unigraphic, AutoCAD, MoldFlow and HighPerform, etc. Production department target to produce low-cost, high-quality tooling, continual improvement, increase of production and customer satisfaction. We are also well equipped with heat treatment shop and metallography lab. This tool room has produced tooling for import substitute. Indo-German Tool Room Indore is continuously working for quality improvement and better services to customers. The other purview of Indo-German Tool Room is training sector. IGTR Indore has a big training center which has latest machines, well-equipped classrooms, CAD/CAM labs, library, separate facilities for hostel for boys and girls, and other infrastructure. The outstanding feature of training center is training courses towards social welfare. In 1995, IGTR Indore Training Center started with 24 trainees whose number has now exceeded 2,000 students per year. We aim to make each and every individual self-sufficient without any dependency on others. Self-employment generation is also one of our motto. Our policy says people before product, and so we identify training need, develop module for training and generate training programs. We adopt latest teaching methods using audio-visual techniques. Periodical checks are carried out for individual performance. We provide long-term as well as short-term training courses, advanced diploma in tool and die making, certificate course in machinist trade, both the courses are recognized by AICTE and NCVT respectively. There are some medium and short-term courses also conducted like post-diploma in CAD/CAM, CNC technology and programming, CNC machining operation, heat treatment, etc. We not only restrict to these courses but also provide tailor-made courses as per customer need. This one-to-one ratio of personal attention generates confidence in trainees and gives them exclusive treatment. When people are put in positions slightly higher above than what they expect, they are delighted. Certain other special training courses for 10th passed, dropouts, handicapped, SC/ST, minority, deaf and dumb candidates or other weaker sections of the society so as to enable them to keep pace with the general public. This outstanding feature of Indo-German Tool Room Indore highlights its inclination towards social welfare. We aim to make each and every individual self-sufficient without any dependency on others. Tool Room has its 2 extension centers with MSME Development Institute at Indore and Gwalior. The Indo-German Tool Room Indore is equipped with latest high-precision CNC machines, high-tech software and heat treatment facilities. IGTR Indore is also capable of producing special products like magnets, precision jacks, etc. used in accelerator for electron beams for research lab. The Indo-German Tool Room Indore is an epitome of quality. Therefore, the excellency in performance through various job undertaken successfully is worth mentioning. Multi-cavity form fill and seal mold for pharmacy industries. Press tool for automobile, electrical and other industries. High precision components and product for R&D units. The quality assured precision motion jacks were exported to France and Switzerland. The tool room has rendered services to distinct sectors as pharmaceutical industries for FFS and BFS mold, packaging industries for blow molds and caps, electrical and electronic industries for injection molds and press tools, automobile industries for press tools, jigs and fixtures, etc. R&D units for magnets and jacks. The Government of India, in its endeavour to stimulate the industrial growth and to keep pace with the global world dynamism, has helped Ministry of MSME by establishing these tool room and training centers at different locations all over the country. Vision of IGTR Indore: to become market leader in tool and die making by producing quality tools and timely delivery at competitive cost. To conduct skill-oriented training courses to cater the manpower need of industries.